We're definitely on the brakes of technological advancements. Absolutely. There are so many softwares and machineries and programs and everything coming in to make sure that our processes that we're evolving as an industry as a whole as well. And where would health and safety professionals spend their time? I would like to think in an ideal world, it would definitely be more so out on the in the field. So dealing with the people and having that human interaction, it is key for the sustainability of any business. And to actually be out there. And again, as much as you digitize the processes are used by people. And people have emotions, we have feelings. Sometimes we may be irrational, or our logic and our thought process may differ from other people. And where does that come from? Differing cultures. Having those preconceived notions, having those values, that belief system, having those differing opinions as well. And health and safety professionals definitely need to be out there strategizing, utilizing the education, the knowledge that these workers, these employees bring into the workspace as well.